almost just fell over. I had 1 million beers last night and I'm feeling it today. You know what I'm saying? How are you feeling?
I feel perfectly fine.
I don't. I feel horrible. Just don't drink 1 million beers in Osaka and you'll be right. Currently sipping on a monster. It's rejuvenating me. I just spent $10 on Panadol. Yeah, we're at the aquarium today. So, it should be fun, and come along with us. That's you. It's just fish, guys. Sorry.
Just
hurting my brain while I'm hung as shit. Ducks. Who wants to look at ducks? I'm sorry, but it's yeah. We have plenty of ducks back home. Look at those boys. Look at those boys. Never seen that. It's bloody busy in here. It's really packed. We're looking at ducks in 2026, are we? Hello, boy. You want to pet them?
They're so funny.
I just want to pat them. This is, yeah, it's different. Oh, I think there's otters. I can't see no otters, so there's no otter here. Happy feet. Like, it's actually amazing how big. I hope the camera's doing it quality justice. I mean, it looks alright on camera, but it's just because it's so dark. But it's, yeah. The best shot ever? Hell yeah, brother. This is the Great Barrier Reef, apparently. So, oh shit, Abby, what are you doing here? What are your thoughts?
I love it.
They have that
Pretty much, this aquarium is like 3 floors basically, and you just like are walking down the whole time. So it's all the same view, just on different levels. Really, that's all it is. So you can see the same things on 3 different floors. But honestly, my thoughts, $30 Australian is pretty good. Oh, yeah. So after all that, I thought we were done, but we're not. You can't really see, because it's really dark now. I probably won't film much more because you can't see, and the video will be shit. I thought we were done again, but we're not. Antarctic area. So, yeah. In here. I think we're almost at the end of it, to be honest. Calorie control. Animals gaining weight. What is that? Wow, look at the view. Do we love Japan? Yes. What do you think of the penguinos?
Stinks.
Oi? Hi, my boy. Yeah. What do you think?
There's more shit down
What
here.
do you think of the tour?
I liked it. It's really good.
Yeah.
Brown, yeah.
If you're in Osaka, come to the aquarium and experience. Now we're just trying to hold ourselves from buying everything in sight. Let's just take in for a moment where we are and look at this view, man. Like, wow, this is crazy. I just can't believe where I am. You have to come to Japan if you've never been. This is my first time, and yeah, wow. So we're gonna go get some sushi. Because we're quite peckish. It's currently 11:55 and it's time for lunch, so let's Oosland. The things you see in Japan, man. My goodness. Wow. Just, yeah, we're gonna go on that Ferris wheel, I'm pretty sure. No where there's Subway. We're not eating Subway in Japan. Oh, this is like a cinema. I just said cinema. It's a shopping centre. $13. Wendy's, we get the Baconator. And they have beer here? Wait, no way, look at this. Yo, Wendy. KFC as well. Oh, hell. There's no way. We're gonna go investigate what that is. What is happening in Japan? Wow. There's like little shops inside the shop. Wow, it doesn't actually stop. It smells unbelievable in here. Like, unbelievable. There's like all these games and stuff. Oh my god. Fuck it up. It's very overstimulating cat. There's so much stuff happening. That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm going for sushi now. I'm thirsty, man. I didn't leave her behind, I promise.
Sorry?
Did I leave you behind?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You
What?
sit here.
No. Let's have a look at it again. Look how clean it is, man. Chef choice, 10 pieces, $40.
I don't really like
Sushi.
fish. I don't think I have bookings. Do we have to book?
I don't think so.
Nicola. Sorry. Yes, please.
Almost just fell over. Let's see the other. Wow, this place is really nice. What did we get? I'll show you when it comes. So that food was really good, but this is not a food review channel, so maybe one day. $3 beers. Stop it asking to get drunk. God damn. Now we're going on the wheel. Yeah, we're currently at the bottom of the Ferris wheel. I will record when we're at the top. We're like at the top right now. Damn. And there's Universal over there, if you can see it in the distance. Wow. They love this stuff over here. There's so much. I don't understand it. I mean, that's what they like. Back in the hotel now. We went shopping. Didn't really vlog any of it because there was just so many people. We're going out for dinner shortly, so cut to me with a bowl of katsu curry, shoving it down my face. Look at that. That dinner was actually the best we've had so far on our trip to Japan. Rate it 10. Nah, 9. That was so good. Oh, I'll put the name on the screen here if you want to come try it. Oh, Rosie, you know that boy. She's so busy tonight. God damn. Look down here. So we just got a white chocolate croissant. It's flat. It's good. Really good. It's there. I don't know whether. Oh my god. What? Ending it here, eating an ice cream. We're tired. We're going to bed. See you tomorrow.